In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just navigate to a carousel post. Here I got one. Then once you opened up that post, all you have to do is just hit at this three dots icon and then select edit. Now we are able to edit this post. We can write down a caption for that post, and also it shows these trash icons on each particular photo, and by hitting at that icons you will remove that photo from a carousel post. You can hit at that trash icon, and now it says that after you finish editing you will be able to restore this media from your activity in the profile menu within 30 days. After that it will be permanently deleted. So you can just hit at delete, and then just don't forget to hit at done to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.